audio quality is way better. I just got a new mic, so I hope that this mic actually works. It looks like it was made for Guitar Hero, but it plugs into my laptop, so probably gonna work. So yeah, I'm just gonna play Minecraft. Where is that Minecraft? Oh, by the way, next time I do Jurassic Park Operation Genesis, I still forgot to save, so I'm gonna have to redo everything I did. And so you don't forget in the next Operation Genesis video, I'll tell you before I go into my save. So comment down below if you can hear this. I'm tapping on the mic, just so you know. So tell me if you can hear that in the comment section down below. But I'm gonna build some stuff for you today. I've already myself a beauty factory. That is mad. I don't have the most powerful computers. By the way, comment in the comment section down below if you want me to build a TVAC. I mean, a work model of the NTDM. First, I have to get my ladders out because I forgot about those. It might be a little bit cubey, but I was originally planning on this part. Oh, sorry about that, by the way. This part was gonna be my. This part was gonna be like a giant aquarium. But look at that view. I'm using mini paper blocks, as you can see. Some glass. And of course, I have some torches. But on top of this, I'm gonna build this one. A giant satellite dish. So first I'm gonna start off with a cube, then I'm gonna do this trick that'll make it look better. Okay, so there's a little satellite dish. No, it's not done yet. There. I know, it looks like a sunflower seed itself, but trust me, I'm not that good of a Minecraft builder, so this is a pretend. But for this video is short, I seriously don't know what to do. Oh, how about we start blowing up mountain range? So yeah. Redstone torch. Let's blow this popsicle stand. Literally. I'm not gonna have to end the video here, but I just don't know what to do. That's what of a queen. Okay, gonna have to end this here. Bye.